Hello everyone, now I'm going to talk about problem 2 for homework 5. First, we have to draw the non-zero definition region of fxy. This is what we know. So we should start from y equals x, something like this. And then x times y equals 1. If we define this as, this is 1, and it should be something like this. And y is larger than or equal to 1. We may simply draw something like this. Okay, first, it should be up to this level. And x times y larger than 1. So it should be over this value. Over this part. And x less than y means y is greater than x, so this part. Finally, the answer is this part. Now we just erase these things and we get to know our final conclusion. For the second part, find A so that fxy is a valid joint density function. If fxy is a valid joint density function, it should satisfy the integral of fxy dx dy equals 1. So this x is the definition region of it. We just calculate this. First, we consider y is from 1 to infinity dy. Then we consider x. X is the sum of some rectangles like this. So this is x equals y. This is x equals 1 over y. So it should be y 1 over y. And this is fx. We have known that this part. Px. That's all. Now we calculate it. First we consider dx, so dy can be taken out. This is ln x from y to 1, and ln y minus ln 1 over y is 2 ln y. So 1 infinity a y squared 2 ln y dy equals 1. Oh, sorry. Then we take 2 over a out. This is something like this. This is 1. So a equals 2. For the third part, define and draw the Markov density functions fx and fy. Consider fx is, the derivation of y. How to consider this part? It is something like this. So fx should be divided into two parts by the line of x equals 1. When x is from 0 to 1, fx is from infinity to 1 over x, which is this point. Dy. So we take this out, and the answer is 1 over 2. When x is greater than 1, fx is something like this integral. X equals y here. So it is this. Which is 1 over 2x squared. And the figure is something like this. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1 over 2. This x, fx. Now we consider the fy. Similarly, fy equals dx. So we should consider such a line. For y larger than or equal to 1, fy should be, this is y, this is 1 over y. So y, 1 over y. Two y squared ln x, y, 1 over y. It is ln y over y squared. So the answer is actually fy equals to ln y over y squared times uy minus 1. So this is 1, it is something like this. Part 4. verify fx and fy are valid density functions. First, consider fx. For x from 0 to 1 and for x from 1 to infinity. It is 1. For fy, it is something like this. And finally, it is 1. So fx and fy are valid density functions. That's all for this problem. Thank you for your listening.